that even with the ban on advertising for election, that you might win anyway, even if you don't spend money, because people will vote for you because you are you. Even if you don't spend the 10 pesos per voter, as you have stated, was the minimum. The only problem will be if foreign interest steer away and want someone else. This country needs you. You take
And may
the
I
foreign,
add that under the Omnibus Election Code, foreign intervention in the Philippine electoral process, direct or indirect, is absolutely proscribed and is a ground for a disqualification of the candidate.
Are you joining the LDP and other parties about Secretary Ramos, about his trip to Zurich? Do you have anything to say about that, his trip to Switzerland, Secretary Ramos?
It is a puzzle within an enigma within a conundrum, to use the words of Winston Churchill.
Pag nanonood ho kayo kay Miriam Santiago, kailangan may katabi kayong diksyonaryo eh. A puzzle within an enigma, within a conundrum. Naiwan na ako dun sa conundrum.